Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, oh. Let me bleed as I bleed for you.
Okay guys, so I am going to wash these. The ones that I was folding, I washed those already, and I got them dry. So I'm going to wash these now. These are some socks. I'm so disappointed in this. I ordered this set, which is supposed to be 15 sets of onesie, and I ordered 0 to 3 months, and they sent me 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months and 6 to 9 months. I already have a lot of clothes for her for that time. I just wanted some 0 to 3 months that she can wear right now, and I'm so disappointed. So I only got like one set of 0 to 3 months. I'm pretty upset about that. So these have to go somewhere else until, I don't know, till they can fit her, because I maybe I just need to go and order some 0 to 3 months, because I just need stuff for her to wear right now. So yeah, but I'm gonna wash these now. Went to the store yesterday and pick up some stuff for her. I'm gonna go through these bags so you guys can see what's in them. We bought a bunch of stuff, like some stuff that I needed that I didn't want to order online, I guess. So these are, I bought like 1 pack of newborn Pampers, and the other 2 are stage 1 and stage 1, yeah. So I'm gonna go through these so you guys can have an idea what's going on in these bags. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I ironed her mitten, because they were like really crushy after being washed, and I just didn't want her to wear them like that, so I ironed them. I know maybe a lot of people don't have the time. I don't have the time, but I feel like I should, and I just want her to always be looking nice and clean, so I don't want her to wear crush stuff. So I take the time and iron them. I'm going to put them away. So I bought like a lot of white. I don't know, I want her to wear a lot of white stuff. I don't know why, but I just like to see baby in white. But yeah, this is a bib. I ironed this one too. Okay, so there's more packages came in from Amazon. So let's see what's in these. I think we should get some more also today, so let's see. Okay, so this was one of the package, and this is a not wearable blanket, mitten, and not hat. So I know what this is. This is something like this, and it comes with a hat also. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is it. These are her mitten. This is so cute. I love the color, and this is the hat. This hat seems so big. And this is a blanket, so a swaddle, like a swaddle blanket. Like, this is so nice. Oh, it's actually like the top. No, actually it's not a blanket, it's an outfit. So you're gonna tie it down here, and then it comes with this and the hats. This is so cute though. I really like this. Actually seems really big, but it's 0 to 3 months. Yes, I ordered 0 to 3 months. I think I bought 2 of these. Another color should be here soon, so it's supposed to look something like this. Yeah, let's see what's in this box now. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. All right. Not sure what this is yet. Oh, these are her receiving blankets. It's a pack of 7, I think. Yes. This is also a swaddle blanket, pack of 3. This is also a swaddle head wrap set. So I'll show you guys how they look. This is also a swaddle blanket set of 2. This is her shower bath towel. Yeah. That's her bath towel, and this is her baby brush set. I'll show you guys what they look like. Oh, this is the drawer basket. Yeah, I think these are like organizer set. Let me show you guys. Receiving blankets. I ordered 2 packs of these, but I only got 1 so far, so I guess the other pack is on its way. So this is a receiving blankets. This is a pack of 7. Put these over there. This is her brush and comb set. This is so soft. So soft. I love the wooden material. This is her comb. And I guess this is the washer here. So nice. So soft too. So these are the muslin swaddle blanket. So I got 2 of these. I also ordered some more. I think I ordered one with 6 pack of 6, but I only got these 2 so far. So a lot of YouTubers mom recommend this swaddle blanket, so that's why I ordered it. Let's see, it's supposed to be pretty big, so she can be swaddled up and comfortable. Oh yes, it's actually really big. Yeah, this is it. Oh, so nice. And it's actually has 2. Yeah, this is really big. Really big. So you have this one, and then you have this one. This is a bath towel. I thought this was so cute, so I had to get it. This is so nice. I just had to get it for her. It's so soft. So it's a bath towel. I have some bath towel for her, but I also bought some like really cute ones like these that fun. Also got these muslin swaddle blankets, so she's gonna be doing a lot of swaddling, and these are so big, which is pretty good. I love this color. This color is so nice, like a peach color, like it's super cute. So these are really big. I can always wrap her up in these. Make sure she's all swaddled and comfortable sleeping. So yeah, these are nice. So I have to put all of these stuff in the wash. I'm gonna wash those today. This is also a swaddle blanket. This is super soft, guys. I love the color, and it comes with a headband, so you can swaddle her up and put a headband. It has an outfit. I do for like a little photo shoot. I think I'm gonna do a photo shoot in this for her. This is so soft and it's so big, and you can also use this as one of the wrap that you put on your body. I don't forget the name of it, and carry the baby on you, so it's big enough for that. So nice. I also ordered some drawer organizer, so because I want her thingy to be, her drawer to be organized, so I pick up some of these. I just need to open them out and put them in the drawer. I could put like, this is her socks, this one with her mittens, you know, like keep everything organized, something like that. This would maybe like her sleepwear. So I'm going to show you guys, because I'm going to do like a video organizing everything for her bedside nursery, so you guys can see. So something like that to keep everything organized and nice. This is what they look like. I will try to put a link of all the items that I have in this video in my description below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested in any of these items that you guys would like to purchase. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna put them in the drawer. Hopefully they fit and organize everything. Oh my god, I really love these. These are so nice. I really love these. But yeah. So guys, her swinging rocker is here. I bought this one. It's supposed to be multiple direction swinging rocker. So it's supposed to look something like this when you fit it up. Yeah, everything is just coming in and everything is just all over the place. And I'm like, oh my god. And I also got her this bedside storage cart that I'm going to use for her bedside nursery. And her bassinet is also here. Everything is just all over the place. Her bassinet is here, so we gotta fit that up too. And I'm just so overwhelmed at this point. And I also got her this bottle rocker, so when I wash her bottles and stuff, I have this to put them to drain, which is pretty good. So this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be like this. I got her some bottles. I'm confused what kind of bottle to get her, so I just got her some Dr. Brown. I'm not sure which one is the best bottle, so I've been doing researches and a lot of people using Dr. Brown, so I decided to get the Dr. Brown bottles. But I think I'm gonna get her some more bottles, maybe, I don't know, a different brand. But yeah, so I am super excited about this top. I bought this top for myself from Etsy to come home, like after having the baby, my come home outfit, going home outfit, or come home outfit, whichever one. So I bought this sweater, peach looking color top for myself. I also tried ordering a coming home outfit for the baby. I ordered the outfit like 4 different times. They kept canceling my order, and I tried even using another account to reorder the outfits again. They canceled the order again over and over. Like, I tried buying her outfit like 5 times and I still didn't get it. So I got this one, but the thing is, it's from the same company, so I don't understand why I got mine and not hers to go through. But like, it's different seller though. But I'm just saying, like, when I saw this top, I felt so bad because I have my coming home top and she didn't get her coming home outfit, and I felt really bad. It was like an outfit with her name on it, and like, hello world, I am here, or something like that. It was so cute. I'm gonna put a picture at the side, but I didn't get it because then the order is not going through. So I don't know, I'm so disappointed. Like, I feel so bad now that mine is here and she didn't get hers. But I'm gonna try to figure something out to get her like a nice outfit to come home. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do though, but I'm gonna try.